Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Daily. How are you today? How is your English learning going? Remember, the more you study, the more you improve. Step by step, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's great to be here again with you all. How are you, Anna?
I'm doing wonderful, Mark. I've just finished my morning coffee, and I feel ready to learn.
That's great, because today's lesson is called Master Present Perfect Tense Through Story.
Oh, yes! The present perfect is one of those tenses that sounds tricky, but becomes easy when you hear it in stories.
Exactly. So today, we'll listen, repeat, and feel how native speakers use it naturally.
Don't stop, don't translate, just copy the rhythm. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding the feeling of present perfect. Repeat after me, slow and clear. I have learned many new words. I have studied English for a long time. I have made some mistakes, but I've improved. I have met many people who speak English. I have watched English videos every day. I have listened carefully to real conversations. I have practiced my pronunciation. I have started thinking in English. I have felt proud of my progress. I have never given up.
That's the spirit. That's how the present perfect sounds in real life.
Yes, it's about experience, progress, and things that connect to now.
Part 2. Short Story, Anna's English Journey. Let's begin our first story. Repeat after us slowly.
When I was a child, I wanted to learn English. I didn't have internet, but I had big dreams. Over the years, I have listened to English songs. I have watched movies with subtitles. I have practiced speaking in front of the mirror. I have recorded my voice many times. Sometimes I have made mistakes and felt embarrassed.
But I have also received kind words from teachers. I have learned that mistakes help me grow. I have realized that English is not just a subject, it's a journey.
That story is my story, and maybe yours too.
Yes, everyone who's learning English has walked that same path.
Let's repeat more examples. Feel the rhythm of the tense. I have just finished my homework. I have already eaten breakfast. I have seen that movie before. I have never visited New York. I have just started a new job. I have broken my phone once. I have written many emails today. I have taken the bus this morning. I have met my friends recently. I have lived in this city for 5 years.
Excellent rhythm.
Yes, have plus the past participle creates connection from past to present.
Let's listen to my story this time. Repeat after me. This week has been very busy for me.
Oh, really? What have you done, Mark?
I've worked on 3 big projects. I've attended many meetings. I've sent more than 50 emails. I've drunk too much coffee. I've forgotten my lunch twice. I've met new clients. I've learned a lot about teamwork. And I've realized I need more rest.
Yes, you've worked very hard.
Exactly. And that's how you use have to talk about recent actions and experiences.
Let's practice a short, natural conversation using the present perfect. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan and Canada.
Wow! Have you tried sushi there?
Of course, I've eaten sushi many times. It's delicious.
Have you met any interesting people on your trips?
Yes, I've met kind people from all over the world.
That's wonderful. I haven't traveled yet, but I've always wanted to.
Then your adventure has already started. You've made the dream.
Beautiful. That's how we share our experiences. Part 6. Common expressions with present perfect.
Let's repeat some useful patterns. I have just finished work. I have already done my homework. I haven't seen that yet. I have never been to Paris. Have you ever tried this? I have lost my keys. I have found a new hobby. I have become more confident. I have learned from my mistakes. I have grown as a person.
You can feel how the present connects to the past. It's living English.
Yes, every sentence shows your life's journey in words.
Part 7. Mini story. The Traveler's Tale. Let's enjoy one more story. Repeat after us slowly. Emily loves to travel.
She has visited 20 countries.
She has walked on beaches in Thailand.
She has climbed mountains in Peru.
She has learned new languages.
She has made friends all over the world.
She has taken thousands of photos.
She has eaten food she's never tried before.
She has written about her adventures online.
And she has inspired many people to travel too.
That's the beauty of experience. It never leaves you.
Yes, that's the true meaning of the present perfect.
Part 8. Practice with have you ever?
Let's ask some questions. Answer them with feeling. Have you ever tried something new? Have you ever felt nervous speaking English? Have you ever made a new friend through English? Have you ever laughed during a lesson? Have you ever listened to English songs all day? Have you ever read an English book and finished it? Have you ever dreamed in English? Have you ever felt proud of your progress? Have you ever thought, wow, I can really speak English?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan and Canada.
Wow! Have you tried sushi there?
Of course, I've eaten sushi many times. It's delicious.
Have you met any interesting people on your trips?
Yes, I've met kind people from all over the world.
That's wonderful. I haven't traveled yet, but I've always wanted to.
Then your adventure has already started. You've made the dream.
Beautiful. That's how we share our experiences. I love those questions. They remind us how far we've come.
Yes, every learner has lived through these experiences.
Part 9, Story Reflection, Learning Through Life.
Let's reflect together. Repeat after me.
I have started learning English.
I have faced many challenges.
I have made progress every week.
I have built my confidence step by step.
I have spoken to new people.
I have listened with patience.
I have learned from mistakes.
I have improved my pronunciation.
I have believed in myself.
I have changed my life through English.
Yes, English is more than grammar. It's growth.
Exactly. You haven't just studied, you've lived your learning.
Part 10, Positive Affirmations with Present Perfect.
Let's finish with strong, positive sentences.
Repeat after us slowly and proudly.
I have worked hard on my English.
I have improved a lot.
I have become more confident.
I have learned from every mistake.
I have practiced every day.
I have spoken bravely, even when scared.
I have made real progress.
I have built strong habits.
I have changed how I think in English.
I have believed in my future.
That's it. That's the present perfect in action.
Yes, not just grammar, but life experience in every sentence.
Remember, the present perfect is about your journey.
It shows everything you've done, learned, and become.
You've practiced, improved, and grown today.
You have done an amazing job.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in your English.